Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is a continuation of conceptual massing environment. And the model that I'm going to share with you is about these two arts. This is the first arts that we're going to discuss for today's video. And tomorrow we're going to discuss this type of arts, bricks, brick types art. This will be tomorrow. Along the way, you're going to pick up essential skills and understanding that will prepare you to become an efficient and effective designer, architect, or engineer. I'm Roland Tagufa, and I've been working with technology in engineering, architecture, and construction field for more than 36 years. If you are ready to start working with fast and powerful tools to complete your architectural projects, please join, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel tutorial course. My course will take you to the essential skills of Revit environment. Let's start. I've opened Revit, and then in Revit, I open a new uh, family template, and then I open this English, and then I go to conceptual mass, and then I double click it, and then after that I have created this form. This one, this is reference line. If you can see this in isometric view, in 3D, this is like this. There are three types of arts that I have made: one, two, three. And this is parametric. You see, I have placed lines and radius. If I'm going to change the height, till this will flex. Make it 20. Apply. It will flex. The other one is not parametric because I just copied it there. And then undo, undo. And then the next one that I have created is this one. First, I have created this first, and then what I did is just copy this into clipboard. I copied into clipboard like this. I copied it, and then when I copied it in the clipboard, and then I paste it and paste it into the same place. And then after placing it to the same place, and then after that I just click it again, the one that I have copied in same place, and I change the reference plane reference 1. I have two planes, as you can see in this floor plan level 1. There is a two reference plane. I have created this another one reference plane there, and I named it reference 1. And the distance uh, uh, from this center line to that reference 1 is 3 meters. I change my unit into 3. I make it like this: UN, and then just selected this length, and then when I selected this length, I just change this into meters and 2 decimal places, and then OK, and then OK. Okay, now this is the form that I have created. This is our pattern, the line pattern that I have created. Reference line here and reference line there. Then the next move that we're going to do is you click this reference line, and then click the other reference line and make a blend, make a form. Then after making a form, then you select this form and then divide the surface. After dividing the surface, I just change this U grid layout fixed number into 1 U grid. Then that's it. This is 1. And then I go to V grid and change this fixed number layout into maximum spacing, and then change the spacing distance to 0.5. that is 0.5 meters. Apply. Now this is our pattern. Then click this pattern and then go to this surface presentation. Click that arrow, and then after clicking that arrow you see these nodes, and check these nodes. Check, and then OK. So the nodes will come. And then after that you click this arts, and then go to surface representation, and then click this node again, and then OK. Then after that you click the other side, and then go to this surface representation again, and click that nodes. Now this is our pattern that we're going to create, that brick that is shown in our previous the previous image that I have shown it to you. Then next move is now again you go back to your again I want to create again another what you call this one, parameter, and I want to name that parameter z, and make it a type, and then OK. Okay, it's already there. Close. Okay, cancel. I have already a z pattern. Okay, then OK. Then after that I go back to my home tab, and then again I selected this new template, and then in new template I just click this English, double click, and then I double click this metric curtain panel pattern base, and then open. Okay, let's change this grid. My grid is what you call this, my unit first. Unit is meters, then change the unit to meters, and then to OK, then OK, and then click this grid. Then I make this one 3 and the other one is 1, then apply, and then this is our pattern. Now check this guys, I just make a form, and observe, just make a form, and then after making a form, and then I load it into project. Then after loading it to project, then I just go to create components, place it here, click it here, 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 and here, and just repeat it. And then you see guys, this is it. This is the pattern that we have created. There is a gap. This is not our intention. In our drawing there is no gap. This edge and this edge will join together. These are all joining together. So how to solve that? Okay, you undo, just remove this, delete. Then you go back to your adaptive component, and then undo this adaptive component that we have done earlier, and then we need to create a point. Okay, create a point, just create a point, and then you need to click this select set work plane, and then you click this horizontal plane and place a point there. That is our point number 1. Then again set a work plane, and then click this horizontal plane, and then point 2, and then again set this work plane, and then click this, and then point 3, and then click again that set work plane, and then set to horizontal plane, and then there, that is our last point. Then create a parameter. I created parameter, and then I name this one z, and I make it instance, and then okay. Then after that, just make a value 0.5, apply, and then click all those four points that we have done. Just click this point and then hold your control, and then click this point, then hold your control, and then click that point, and then hold your control, and then click the last point, and then hold your control, and then associate family parameter. You associate it, and I'm associating it to this z that I just created. Open, and then this is our points. Then you make a spline through points. Just click this point and the other point, and then spline through points, and then again another points and this point, and then spline through points, and then this point and this point, and then spline through points, and then this point and this point, and then spline through points. Then I change this into reference line. Check the reference line, and then it's reference line. Then I will make a blend. Then blend this and this, and then make a floor. Then that's it. This is our model. Then again, you just load this into project. Then after loading into project, just go to create, because I only have one adaptive component that I have loaded it there. I just go to that points, and then click here, 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 and here. Okay, that is our first set of model. Then again I click it here, 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 clockwise, then like this. And then that is our second model. And then again I click it counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is our model. And then you just click this and repeat, and then click this and repeat. Now there is no gap, and then click this and then repeat. Okay, now I want to change the height of the brick z. I just because this is instance, this will change only into this and not all. The other instance that we have done, the other bricks that we have done, like this one will not change, and this one will not change. Okay, I'll just change it, and then change it into 0.5, 1, apply, and this only will change because this is an instance. If you want to change all this one together, you just go back to that adaptive pattern that we have done. You go back and change this z into type. Just go here and then edit, and then make it a type, and then okay, apply, okay, and then load it into project. I loaded into project, override existing version, and then I go there, and then I go to this curtain panel that we have created. I just double click it, and then I change it here 1, apply, then all will change together. If I click this only one, I just tab, I click it, this is not coming here because that is not an instance, and it is not also coming there because this is not an instance. And another thing, you cannot associate this. There is no associate because it's already a type, and you cannot associate that. If that is an instance, you can associate this into your family type here. You cannot associate it. Before I made that one, what you call this, I made that one uh, uh, instance, and I can, there is an associate button there. Okay, this is our form. Then now we can apply the material. Then you go back to this one that we have created, adaptive component. You select this adaptive component, and you can see this tab, and you can see this material category, and there is also an associate family parameter. You can associate this and make this one bricks. Hmm. Make it instance, and then okay, and then okay, and then you go to this family, and then you can select a material. Then you just select a material, create material, new material, and then after that you change the name, and then go to appearance, and then here in appearance you check this, replace these assets, and then after that, and then you type soldier, and then select this, I selected that, and then there, and then apply, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. Now you see this is like this, and then again you just load it into project, and then overwrite, then here. Now here is our finished product. Okay, that's it. Thank you.